Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I wanted to talk with you guys. I never covered the TWT. That's the trust wallet of Binance. So, oh my god, again, I even put on my hotspot, man. Okay, so you can see that it's not very young, but it's not even that old coin. It's since January 2021. You can see that we're going to this kind of parallel uptrend pattern, and we can see that there are a lot of spikes. Unfortunately, cannot work with Fibonacci retracement or Elliott wave because it's too messy. Otherwise, this could be like I don't know, a 1 2, a 1 2, a 1 2, a 1 2. I mean, yeah, more than 4. It starts to be unreasonable. The only thing I can say though, as a trader, that if I do those trend lines, now I'm not taking the peak one because I want to have the most points I can with every wave. So that would be the safest one. So, and as well here, I did put this one, but that's the extreme of the waves. But if I put this one that, it's more conservative and actually touch more candles, and make it more reliable for an entry point or an exit point also. So let's say here price, it went up, you didn't got in, we went down, we went up again. When you see that start to reverse, maybe here you know textbook situation would tell you that if you see a strong reversal, maybe it's time to short. When you go lower, now do you want to wait for this point? Well, I mean, at that time we didn't know. So let's jump 3 wave after. So we already had this impulsive movement twice. So now you can make your trend here. So we go up now. So you should say, okay, now this every time the price went higher, we kind of reach in the last 2 times that level. So if you come here and prices start to reverse, maybe you can get some. Let me put the brush here. So yeah, so it means we can get some accumulation point here. So here we hit it. Maybe you did got some here as well on the previous peak. Would be even better if I zoom in, isn't it? So here you would have been happy, and then we go down even lower. But let's not forget that we did went lower here, so that was a warning. So you buy here, and then we go higher. And since you were able to draw this trend line, this is the exit point, right? Textbook, but you can also get it out here a little bit before, because you never know what's going to happen. And then once again, when you reach here, you know that something is happening. Now you need to pull out your indicators, and you would know that at this level we were oversold. We went on a side, we were oversold as well. We had a small recovery, and after that, starting from here, you can see that also the momentum starts to decrease. So this was an indication that maybe price it would reverse. For sure, this is not a perfect science. So we did add a recover, and after that we did another impulsive movement to the upside. Now, if you kind of zoom in, now I'm doing like a very quick analysis, but you can see that maybe this was a 1 2, or maybe this was a 1 2, a 3, a 4, and we had a truncated wave 5. So this is when for micro counting it can help. You can use your tool and micro counting. You can combine Elliott wave and Fibonacci extension. So just to make it work, I'm going to take out the indicators now. So, and this is really, I didn't intend to do that, but there we are. Okay, so see, if this was a wave 1, this is a wave 2, it really react to the 0.5, so that works. Just to show you that even if a long-term chart, it doesn't respect Elliott waves and Fibonacci extension, well, in this case, more Elliott waves, but you can, so it didn't work, did it? You can use this tool to determine the impulsive movement. So can you see now here the relevance? So we had a wave 1, wave 2, and a very nice wave 3. Well, for sure you could have thought that maybe this was the third wave, and then or in my opinion this was the third. Then we had A, B, C, and then we had a fourth wave, but it was a truncated one because we never made a higher high. Yeah, so that's one way to see it, possible. Can we say that this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also? Yeah, we can. And then this could be just a 1, 2, 3, or 3, 4, 5, I'm not sure. Anyway, the point wasn't really to go and analyze the Fibonacci retracement, but as you can see, Fibonacci extension and Elliott wave do work and perform very well on the uptrend. It doesn't work that well on the downtrend, so you could have been into this trade and profit from this impulsive movement just by seeing that this was our wave 1, this is a wave 2. Once again, the third wave is the one that is going to reach the most the highest level on the RSI, which we did after we had a minor setback. So that was the 4, and now this is the 5th. Okay, so also maybe this week it's if I go on this is on Binance, I don't know, this week kind of a big week though. Maybe on other exchange we really stop here, I don't know. But just to emphasize that it's not any coin or any stock that work well with Elliott waves, but you can still use it as a reference to estimate the impulsive movement combined with other indicators, and you should be able to find a way. Now, if you see a chart that you cannot make work anything, then there are so many charts out there, just change chart. Alright, so this is all I wanted to share with you guys. So once again, I would say this decision point now almost here was very nice entry point. I didn't do it. I have a full-time job and I only have so much time, so many hours per week to dedicate on crypto, even though I really enjoy it. Yeah, but we need to do also something else in life, and since I already have a full-time job, I cannot cover all the coins, but I try my best to share with you the opportunities. I find this is one opportunity. So either, once again, let me put it here. Now it starts to be a too long video. Once again, if we break this level here, we're going to go for sure at this level. So if we break the 71 cents, we're going to go at 55 cents. So if we break here, yeah, I would say short would be the strategy. Textbook, this is only theory. And then if we break out from this downtrend, then that would be more bullish. So maybe spot positions. Once again, this is a textbook. Ideally, those are not financial advice. All right, so hopefully you learned something today. And then maybe you're going to add TWT on your watch list, who knows? Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good week.